Hello guys, good morning. I need to go back to the hospital. I have a schedule for appointment for the laboratory today. After my check-up yesterday, the doctor requested me to undergo a laboratory check-up to check my blood sugar and cholesterol. Because last time when I have laboratory, that was last year when I come home from vacation in Philippines. My cholesterol at that time is high. That's why I need to check again. My cholesterol is normal, or and also my blood sugar is in boundary. Because they advise me to diet. There's so many food not allowed to eat. But I'm still not in diet. I eat what I want to eat. So I do want to check all that was last year. I always getting sick because of my cholesterol and high blood sugar. I pray na it's normal. I did not feel anything this time because I'm more relaxed in my new job, and I'm less stressed this time. But to make sure, I need to undergo blood chem today. I went out early while they are sleeping because later they gonna go out. Nobody with my awaga. I need to be in the house before they going out. Yeah, I'm here in an pharmacy. Building 3 and building 1. But I need to go to the old building, the main building of NMC Hospital for the laboratory. Because the laboratory is in the old building, the first building. I'm here already, guys. Happy Sunday, everyone. Happy weekend.